Located on over 30 private acres and with 7 water sources and a 6-stall barn, we would like to welcome you to this beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bath home located at 1529 Ace McMillan Road. Please come with us as we take you on a personal tour. From this huge wraparound front porch, we'll turn and enter the family room, featuring a vaulted 2-story ceiling and a wall of windows overlooking the lake and with incredible wooded views. Moving through the family room, you can see the bar directly ahead. Adjacent to it is the formal dining room or breakfast area. It is also surrounded in windows and is adjacent to a spacious kitchen featuring stainless steel appliances and abundant cabinet space. There is also an adjacent wet bar. Notice the fireplace as we continue through the family room, and we'll turn into the first spacious bedroom. Continuing down the hall, we'll pass the main level hall bath and continue into another large bedroom. Gliding upstairs, you can see the view of the lake. And as we continue down the hall, we'll enter a large master suite. It also has a very spacious master bath and plenty of closet space. Another great feature of the master bedroom is this vaulted office surrounded in windows and offering great views of the lake and the property. Moving back through the master bedroom, we'll enter the main hallway. Passing the stairway, we'll continue into the upper level hall bath. It is also connected to the master suite. At the end of the hall is another large bedroom. Moving down to the lower level, you'll find a great family room or media room. It also has a stove, and as we continue forward, you'll find a great workshop and a space for additional storage. Adjacent to it is the lower level bath, and as we continue forward, we'll enter another bedroom or game room. Exiting from the dining area, we'll continue out to a wraparound, screened-in porch. This home truly has everything. There are also great views of the lake from the deck. Another great feature of this property is a built-in swimming pool and a very private yard. This home also has a 6-stall barn. If you're looking for a great home on acreage, you must come and see 1529 Ace McMillan Road today.